A Burlington family is grieving the loss of a devoted father and grandfather as the woman charged in his death appeared before a judge.
WXII 12's Joshua Davis was the only reporter in the courtroom and shares what was revealed, all new at 5.
The sister-in-laws of Richard Smith tell me he was a man utterly devoted to his family, and his death comes at a time of already unimaginable loss.
He was irreplaceable.
September 27th was just another day for Richard Smith. His loved ones say he was on his way to work that morning with plans to attend his oldest granddaughter's 18th birthday after his shift when he was injured in a head-on collision.
He was placed on life support, Your Honor, and ultimately the family did have to remove him from life support when it was determined that there were no other efforts that could be made to save his life.
During the court appearance of 19-year-old Paige Moore, investigators uncovered, leading up to the crash, that her blood alcohol level was more than 2 times the legal limit, and she was driving on the wrong side of the road. State prosecutors relayed a message from his daughter, Christina, to the judge.
Obviously, it's very hard for her. She lost her mother last year due to an illness, so they expected that. However, losing her father was completely unexpected.
Sherry Bennett and her wife, Wanda Bird, both sister-in-laws to Smith, say he was a man completely devoted to his family.
He's got a new granddaughter, which she was born in January. And a lot of times when she would get upset and get to crying, they'd take her to Pawpaw.
How in the hell you prepare yourself when somebody's going to take your loved one away? I don't know how you prepare for that. But I would like to say this. I forgive you, but I will never forget what you did.
Moore's next court date is set for March, and her bond set at $1.5 million. In Alamance County, I'm Joshua Davis for WXII 12 News.